everybody. We are making some orange vanilla monkey bread. This is gonna be wonderful. My throat's giving me a little trouble this morning. It's the pollen, it's crazy. We were outside a lot yesterday, and so this morning I can't talk very well. It'll clear up in an hour or so. Okay, so for this monkey bread, it is really easy. We just need canned biscuits. We need about 22 ounces of biscuits, and these are 16-ounce cans, so we'll need about 1.5 or so. So we're just gonna open our biscuits and cut them into squares. Let me get a little cutting mat real quick. It's also very early, and so far I'm the only one awake. So yeah, we're just gonna cut these into small pieces. Doesn't have to be any kind of perfect anything. This is a recipe from an old Pioneer Woman cookbook. So she used a big gallon Ziplock bag to get the biscuits coated in the sugar mixture. I'm all out of those, so we're just gonna mix it in a bowl. It's gonna be a hot one today, I think, y'all, because it is already warm. Stepped outside for a minute. You definitely don't need a little spring jacket this morning. Okay, now we're gonna get about half of this other can. When I get this in the oven, then I'll go finish getting ready. Start waking everybody up. Okay, so in the bowl, we're gonna put 1 cup of sugar, the zest of 2 oranges, and we need a dash of salt. We'll mix all of this together. And now we're gonna start putting the biscuit pieces in. I'm just gonna do a few at a time, that way they all get coated really good. Like if you had the bag, you wouldn't have to worry about that because you can just, shake, shake, shake and get it all coated. Alright, we're gonna set this over to the side and I'll keep stirring it a little bit in a minute, but we need to get our butter melting. Okay, so we've got this pot on medium heat. We're gonna put in 2 sticks of butter. Okay, while that's melting, I finished coating my biscuits with the sugar mixture. Now we're gonna spray this bundt in with some cooking spray. And we're gonna put in the biscuit pieces. I'm trying to carefully not spill the sugar stuff everywhere. This might be easier to do with my hand, actually. Then we'll add the sugar stuff on top, whatever's left in the bowl. Y'all, this smells so good. Okay, the butter it's not quite melted all the way, but we're gonna go ahead and put in our tablespoon of vanilla and 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Once the butter finishes melting and we get the brown sugar all mixed in, we're just gonna pour it over the top of the biscuits. That's it. Now this goes in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Alright, I made some sausage patties over here, and now I'm just going to make some scrambled eggs to go with the monkey bread. I'm going to show y'all the difference between the chicken egg and the turkey egg real quick. So this one's a turkey egg. Here's a chicken one. Turkey, chicken. So the turkey one's bigger and actually a little bit of a lighter yolk than the chicken egg. But other than that, they're about the same. I mean, there's more in the turkey egg, of course, white and everything because it's bigger. But yeah, they taste the same. Here's another turkey one. They're just really a lot harder to crack. The yolk is a little stronger too. Like you'll see when I start to scramble it here, it takes a little bit more to break up that yolk than it does with the chicken eggs. So here's a chicken one. Boom, it's broken. Turkey. See, it's thicker. Like you can almost cut it in half. They taste the same. Got a new apron for Mother's Day. Sissy gave me this one. It's really cute. Has a pocket. Okay, y'all, I'm about to finish cleaning up the kitchen, but I wanted to tell y'all about this vanilla or orange vanilla monkey bread. It is really good. If you like those orange sweet rolls, you will love this. That's what it's like, only in monkey bread form. My throat is still on something weird. Here's something else that I got for Mother's Day. Isn't it pretty? So y'all tell me what I do. Like, does it stay in this or do I take it out and plant it somewhere? It's different flowers in here. Like, these are some pink ones. White, I have no idea what kind because I'm not good at that, y'all know. White ones, yellow ones, pink ones. So what do? There were no directions on the tag. Y'all know I'm terrible at growing things, which, by the way, I was gonna plant my vegetable garden this weekend, but we ended up not going to the farmer's market yesterday. I was thinking we might go, but we didn't, so let me know. How do I take care of this? Also, a Dunkin' Donuts gift card and the best Mother's Day cards ever.
I gave you this one for Mother's Day.
You did?
Uh-huh.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
And these over here, Jonah and Cece worked really hard on these. Oh, they had me some big red in the pockets too. And flowers, yeah. This one over here. And this one, look, the son's wearing sunglasses. And these, I mean, technically, I got them last weekend and I picked them out, but I'm still gonna count them as a Mother's Day gift. For real, I just want to tell y'all about them because these are the most comfortable pajamas I've ever had. So they're Ray Dunn. I got them from TJ Maxx. They were only, I think, $16.97. It was 16 something for the whole set, for the shirt and the pants. They are so soft. They're like butter soft. I just love them. The pocket, the one I have says Dream. There were these gray ones. There was a black pair, I think, that said something. And I think a pink pair that said something on the pocket. But they all say something different on the little pocket, and it is a real pocket. I'm telling y'all, most comfortable pajamas ever. And cheaper than those really cute ones that Walmart has right now. Those Joy Spun ones from Walmart. Those are like $12 for the top, $12 for the bottoms. So with tax and all, you're looking at like $25 there. These are still under $20 with tax and all. So I got them from TJ Maxx. Marshall's may have them, and even Ross may have them. I don't know. Sometimes you can find, you know, kind of the same things at those places. But yeah, if you see these, treat yourself to these pajamas because you will you'll just want to stay in your pajamas. Well, maybe that's not a good thing, but they are so comfortable for real, y'all.
Y'all can see that little horse right there, how relaxed she is. She's only been rode a handful of times. And the key to it is just, you know, keep everything slow and easy for them little babies. That way they don't get all stressed out.
Y'all, it is supper time. Today's adventure, we're taking y'all to Fresco's International Kitchen.
Did they got chicken?
Do they got chicken? Let's see. We gotta look at the kids menu. They have kids cheeseburger and fries, cheese quesadilla, grilled cheese, oh, chicken tenders, hot dog, pasta, Alfredo pasta, or marinara pasta.
I need real chicken.
You want cheeseburger? Okay, Cece wants cheeseburger, Manny wants chicken. What you want, Jonah? Oh, he's looking still, okay. They always serve you these little chips and cheese. I'm not sure what kind of chips these are. Do you know? I mean, what would you compare these to? Like pretzel? No. I'm not sure. Something. They're really airy.
I'm still in the same position, but then he'll come back up like this right here, so he's got all this loose, and he'll run like a scalded dog. And then I have what? And I'm just telling you. Then I'm up here like this.
And now the ice cream parlor. They have banana pudding, mango,
I know cotton candy kind.
cotton candy. Okay.
Yeah, what about some vanilla?
You want vanilla or cotton candy?
Vanilla.
Okay. Cookies and cream, vanilla, crazy colors. I got mango, Titus got butter pecan in a cup. Let's play tennis ball.
They stay in the Christmas spirit. The thing is, why would you take them down? I mean, time you know what I'm saying, turn around good, it's time to plug them back up.
That's why we keep ours hanging up.
Silver bells.
Okay, y'all, we are back home. It is many hours later. I'm about to go to bed, but I'm gonna get the coffee maker ready for in the morning. I'm gonna get the regular coffee pot ready and the French press because I'm not sure which one I want to do in the morning. That way, whichever one I decide, they're both ready. Okay, I'm gonna put my coffee makers over here. Well, put this one in the coffee maker. All right, I'm gonna go get ready for bed. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make for breakfast in the morning. Nobody gave me any requests yet today, so I usually have somebody in the evening talking about what they want for breakfast. So I guess I'll just figure something out in the morning.